How to import Robinhood 1099 into Turbotax. So first of all, let me head over to one of the article. For that, move into any of the web browser. And then you can head over to any of the article. In the article, you'll get to see the step-by-step process on how to import. The very first thing you want to do is to sign into Turbotax and open or continue your return. And then source for the name of your form, like 1099B, and select the jump to link in the source result. After that, you simply have to follow the screen and you will be able to import your form. Well, not only that, you will have to know some of the things before you import. It says you cannot import 1099 consolidate form. The consolidate 1099 form received from a broker may contain several parts, which should be clearly labeled on the form. Example of some forms are 1099 INT, 1099 DIV, and 1099B. Each part must be entered or imported in the corresponding section of Turbotax. You can securely import your 1099 form into Turbotax if your broker or financial institution is on our list of Turbotax import partners. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can import Robinhood 1099 in Turbotax. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.